Hey, what is going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now, in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the new Samsung browser that they actually just released on PC. I'm not sure when they did this. I saw a video on it, so I kind of wanted to check it out. It's actually the same Samsung browser that you get on Samsung devices, so it'll be kind of neat to check out. We're just going to go ahead and download it. We're just going to use Edge. I already tell you right now, we're going to need a new browser because all this junk's showing up. So all we got to do is look up Samsung browser. I don't think I spelled that right, but that's okay. So here's the actual website page. Samsung browser for Windows. Browse seamlessly with Galaxy AI. Not a fan of the AI stuff. If you have a Samsung device and you really like this browser, being able to like go from one browser to the other is super handy. You can do that with Chrome already, but Samsung's trying, which is nice. So let's just go ahead and download it and check it out. It's already showing up AI stuff. Alrighty, so it threw a icon on the desktop, which this is what it looks like. I was going to change the background, but I don't have this VM activated, so once I get it activated, I'll change the background to something a little bit better. But that is what the icon looks like. So once this is done, we'll actually open it up and check it out. Welcome to the Samsung browser, a fast and simple web browser that puts your privacy and security first. We're just going to say not now. We're going to skip this. You can also do ad blocking. We'll turn that on. So this is what it looks like. It kind of looks like Edge a little bit. Let's just see how fast it is. Let's just go to google.com. Not bad, not bad. Go back. Pretty quick. So what is this? Tabs. Oh, this just shows all your tabs open. Okay, so if I go to Google and then YouTube and click this. Okay, it's not bad. It's a little laggy, but I think that's just because I'm in a virtual machine. We've got this little toolbar. It's actually quite sleek, I'm not gonna lie. We've got settings here. Sync with Samsung Cloud. You can import your bookmarks and settings. You got your browsing assistant, which is off by default, which is nice. Your startup page you can change. You can do different search engines. You can use Perplexity. I'm not sure why I messed up with that word, but Google as well. You got appearance. Let's use dark so I can actually see. You can also do always show bookmark bar if you would like. You can also do always show bookmark bar, which is nice. You got the sidebar and side panel, which you can actually turn off, and it doesn't always show too, which is interesting. It only shows when you're in a new tab. You got privacy dashboard. This will show you kind of what's been blocked and what hasn't been blocked, which is kind of cool. It gives you kind of like a detailed diagram of what days and stuff that it actually blocks stuff. You get your personal browsing data. You can go through here. You got your passwords, your credit and debit cards, which is also another good thing, is if you use Samsung browser religiously, you can actually like kind of sync your passwords and stuff, and you don't need like a password manager. You can also sync your debit and credit cards, which is super cool. We've also got sites right here. We got third-party cookies, manage website data, and site permissions. Downloads, it just shows you where it downloads to. You can also make the Samsung browser the default browser. Performance and system. You can use optimized memory use. We'll turn that on. Let's actually see how much RAM it's taking up right now. So it's taking about 500 megabytes, which honestly isn't terrible. I think I gave this VM about 8 gigs of RAM, so that's, I mean, Edge is using 120 and it's not even running. So if we open up Edge, I bet you it's going to take twice as much. Less, actually. But I don't have any tabs open. So it's like, and it's actually using, it's still using a little bit less. I think Edge is a little more optimized for Windows because it's built for Windows. Actually, if you guys want to see me do a video on Edge, like using it for like a month, like solely, let me know and I'll definitely do that because I've actually always wanted to test run Edge to see if I actually like it. But yeah, it's not using too much RAM. It's using about what I kind of expected for, I don't know if it's Chrome-based. Is the Samsung browser Chrome-based? Yeah, it's based on the Chromium project, so I'm not really surprised. That just kind of uses RAM in general. We also got languages here, your accessibility. You can reset everything. You can add add-ons. Oh, it's just web store. Yeah, that makes sense because it's Chromium-based. So you can actually add add-ons, which is super cool. So if you really want like a new browser that's decent, this honestly wouldn't be a terrible choice because you can use Chrome web store extensions or Chrome extensions, whatever you want to call them. So that's pretty cool. You also got keyboard shortcuts. If we go back, I can't go back any farther. And then you got about Samsung browser. So let's just go to my channel here, playing a video, but it's muted. I don't know if it auto mutes or if I set that up. I'm pretty sure it just auto mutes, but the browser does feel pretty smooth. It's not like terrible. I can definitely feel a little bit of like, not latency, but like kind of non-smoothness, if that makes sense. I think that's just due to the VM though. I don't think that's anything, that's no fault of the browser specifically, but I'm honestly impressed that Samsung just released this browser on Windows and it just works. It's snappy, it's fluent. It is using quite a bit of RAM, which is kind of upsetting, but I use Firefox personally and that uses still quite a bit of RAM, so you can't really win that fight. It just takes a lot of memory. I have 64 gigs of RAM, so it doesn't really bother me any. But with the VM being only limited to 8 gigs, you might want it to not take as much memory. Let's try capture page. So yeah, it's kind of like Edge. You can just do that and it captures it. I don't know where it goes though. If I just do capture page, Free select. Okay, so you got to click on it first. So I can like just select this section, save, and it just saves it to wherever you want. So I can just save it to my downloads, and then I can view it. And that's what the downloads icon kind of looks like. I don't know if it's going to open it though. If I open that, it opened it twice. But yeah, that's what it does. It works. And while I'm here, if you guys are looking at my channel, why don't you click that join button? Join the channel. You'll get access to instant uploads basically. Basically what I do is when I upload a video, I have it become member only, and then it goes to the live at 11 a.m. every Tuesday and Thursday at the time of recording of this video, that is. But yeah, Samsung did pretty good on it. If I do Control-Shift-T, that does open up all my tabs. So that's good to know. That's kind of just a universal thing. In terms of that sidebar, oh, okay. Well, I discovered that by accident. I was wondering what that was. Yeah, split view. Just like that. I can view it through Google and like kind of compare notes. So if you have two documents to the side, you could do that. And if I make it even bigger, I have more vertical real estate. It also looks like you can switch. Oh, that's kind of cool. You can actually switch the windows, or well, the browser windows, technically, I guess you could call it. You can also split horizontally. Oh, that's weird. But it also looks like you can actually just grab this little bar right here and move it up and down. So if we go here, is that gonna... Okay, so it does reset the split view, but if you want to make this smaller and have like Twitter or TikTok on this side while you browse the web, you can do that. That's really not bad. And how much RAM does that take when we have it open? Yeah, almost a gig. We're getting to the gig territory, but still not bad. That's actually cool that it has split view. I'm glad that browsers are adding this because I have used it quite a bit, especially at work. But if we just want to turn off split view, what happens? Okay, so it just throws all the tabs back in. Okay, so here's browsing assist. You have to sign in, of course, to use it. I'm not doing that. Synced devices. I don't even have a Samsung account, so you got the Samsung calendar. That's actually kind of handy. If you use this as your main browser, you could literally just be like, oh, what am I doing on the 10th? Oh, I have to do whatever is on the 10th, and then you can like review it with notes or something, or let your friend know on Facebook or something like that. I'm just giving examples, but that is actually really cool that they have this all built in. You can also make this bigger, and it looks like you can add apps. That's kind of cool. Let's add Wikipedia. Look at that. So if I just close out of that, then I go back over, can I just do that in any tab? Oh, you can. See, I don't usually like sidebars in browsers. On Firefox, I turned it off, but this is a good implementation of it. But yeah, it's pretty cool that you can add a bunch of, I guess they're not really widgets, but you can add like a site. So if I wanted to add like Instagram, I could, and then I could view my Instagram in the sidebar. But yeah, guys, that is the Samsung browser. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. I would love to take a look at more software and kind of go back to the roots of my channel, because I've been doing this channel since, what, 2017? Yeah, 2017, and I've been uploading I have uploaded a lot of software videos. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, please drop a dislike. Let me know what you guys want to see for other videos in the comments below, especially more videos of me just reviewing products and stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching once again. I will see you guys next video, and peace out.